Gotta love the self-open feature on this thing. A nice 100-foot pine. Right here, out here in, where we at? Surry, Maine. Tree removal lane clearing. Call us up. 207-974-7355. No job too big or small.
What's up, YouTube? We're back. Northeast tree guy cutting a Humboldt, never seen before. This is a West Coast face cut. 200-foot pine. Clearly saw that it was 200 feet. So we're not cutting a Humboldt. We don't really give a crap.